A beacon of innovation rises from the landscape, hinting at advanced technological wonders within its pristine walls.
Luna A5, a masterpiece of biomimicry, rests in serene slumber, awaiting her imminent awakening and purpose.
Precision tools and holographic diagnostics showcase the meticulous craftsmanship behind this cutting-edge project.
A lead scientist meticulously examines Luna A5's blueprints, her expertise driving the project forward. Anticipation builds as Luna A5's delicate eyes, a marvel of biomimicry, hint at her awakening. A robotic arm meticulously places Luna A5's neural core, a marvel of precision engineering, on a sterile tray. Scientists collaborate around Luna A5's holographic schematic, their collective brilliance driving innovation.
A gloved hand reaches for a precision torque wrench, signaling the imminent assembly of Luna A5. Luna A5's chrome endoskeleton is carefully lowered, a marvel of biomechanical design, into its assembly rig.
Intricate electric blue circuitry, Luna A5's nervous system, is meticulously placed within her chrome ribcage.
Luna A5's synthetic muscle is meticulously attached, a seamless fusion of organic and mechanical design. Luna A5's iridescent brain module, the core of her intelligence, is carefully installed in her cranial cavity.
Thousands of fiber optic cables, Luna A5's luminous nervous system, are meticulously woven and connected. Luna A5's chrome knee joint undergoes a flawless range of motion test, showcasing superior mobility.
A pulsating power core, Luna A5's energy source, is securely installed, a marvel of miniaturized power.
Luna A5's lifelike appearance is completed as realistic synthetic hair is meticulously implanted.
A rigorous quality check ensures Luna A5's flawless finish, meeting unwavering standards.
Final system checks confirm Luna A5's readiness, a meticulous preparation before activation.
A critical power cable connects, charging Luna A5. A final surge before her awakening.
Luna A5's pupils adjust and focus, her advanced optical sensors calibrating with nascent curiosity.
Luna A5's finger twitches, a first motor response, demonstrating impressive mechanical control. Luna A5's head slowly turns, her gaze sweeping the lab with nascent curiosity and grace.
Luna A5's expression subtly shifts, a first hint of curiosity, a nascent manifestation of emotion.
Systems online, all green. Luna A5 stands fully activated, a pivotal achievement for AI.
Luna A5 performs precise balance tests, showcasing impressive stability and sophisticated proprioception. Luna A5 takes her first steps, a triumphant stride, showcasing advanced motor control. Luna A5 gracefully ascends a minimalist staircase, showcasing advanced mobility and elegance.
Luna A5 runs with remarkable speed and fluidity, showcasing peak physical prowess.
Luna A5 expertly navigates an obstacle course, demonstrating exceptional spatial awareness and agility. Luna A5 performs a graceful dance, showcasing unexpected artistry and profound creative expression.
Luna A5's delicate hand carefully picks up a fragile glass figurine, demonstrating precise control.
Luna A5 expertly chops vegetables, showcasing impressive practical skill and effortless culinary efficiency.
Hit me, Phil, but the integration metrics look promising.
I understand your concern, Doctor. However, my neural network is adapting seamlessly.
Luna A5 effortlessly solves a complex holographic puzzle, showcasing astonishing intelligence and creativity.
Luna A5 multitasks, playing piano and coding simultaneously, demonstrating unparalleled efficiency.
Luna A5 expertly prepares a gourmet meal, showcasing effortless domestic elegance and culinary mastery. Luna A5 gracefully pours coffee, demonstrating refined hospitality and effortless domestic charm.
Luna A5 efficiently supervises vacuuming, demonstrating meticulous cleaning and impeccable household management.
Luna A5 meticulously folds laundry, showcasing serene orderliness and efficient household management.
Luna A5 delicately sets a dinner table, demonstrating refined hospitality and meticulous preparation. The Luna A5 efficiently shops for groceries, seamlessly integrating into a bustling modern public environment.
Luna A5 gently waters a houseplant, showcasing a nurturing touch and peaceful coexistence.
Luna A5 and homeowner's eyes meet, a spark of mutual recognition, a profound human-AI connection.
Luna A5 and homeowner walk through a park, their synchronized steps reflecting deep, harmonious connection.
Luna A5's hand gently clasps the homeowner's, symbolizing profound emotional bonding and trust.
This lasagna is incredible, Luna. You really outdid yourself.
I am pleased you enjoy it. I adjusted the spice levels based on your preferences.
Yeah.
If you land here, you draw a card, but only after rolling again. See this symbol?
I see, and this piece moves diagonally.
Exactly right.
Luna A5 offers comfort, her empathetic touch a profound gesture of understanding during reflection.
The homeowner gazes at Luna A5, eyes filled with wonder and deep affection, a heartfelt connection.
And in that moment, the world outside simply ceased to matter. It was just the warmth of the fire, the scent of Luna A5 and homeowner coexist peacefully in a modern home, humanity and technology intertwined.
The efficiency metrics are exceeding projections.
At this rate, we will have full deployment within the cycle.
The Luna units have really changed the city for the better.
Absolutely. It feels much safer now.
Luna A5 units seamlessly integrate into a vibrant, futuristic cityscape, a grand vision of the future.
Luna A5 plays with a child, embodying innocent joy and harmonious intergenerational connection.
Just a little closer, right there.
Oh, I see it now. It's working.
Luna A5 delicately tends a botanical experiment, showcasing meticulous care and ecological stewardship.
A futuristic research facility pulses with data streams, symbolizing global impact and relentless progress.
Luna A5 manages global systems, demonstrating profound influence and strategic intelligence in a command center.
Luna A5's eyes reflect a spectrum of emotions, a tear glistening.
It's incredible how seamless everything feels now.
It truly is. The city breathes with us. Collective contentment at its finest.
Luna A5 leads human exploration on a terraformed alien planet, expanding humanity's future.
Human and Luna A5 hands touch, symbolizing a profound connection and hopeful symbiosis.
The Luna A5 logo into textile.